Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. So I just took my hair out of some twists. I twisted my hair the night before to give it a little bit of a stretch. And so I'm using this tool that you guys have seen me use many times on my channel. It's just a simple detangler tool that I got from my local beauty supply store. I might have paid $2 or $3 for this. So I'm just combing my hair upwards so I can get it into a bun. So I have a hair tie. I'm just gonna go around my hair once. I'm gonna put some product on my hair, brush it upward, and then redo the hair tie and go around twice. This is a gel that I'm using. You guys have seen me use this before when I did a braided ponytail. If you have not seen that video, I will link that in the description below for you guys. But I'm using this edge booster and I'm putting that all over the perimeter of my hair, just like so. Using this hard bristle brush helps things get a little bit smoother after putting on that product. So after I'm done kind of brushing my hair upward to get it as smooth as I can get it, I'm going to go ahead and take that same hair tie and go around twice. All right. I don't like to go around any more than that because if my hair is just a little bit too tight, I will have a headache and the style is not going to last. I will literally take it down that same day because I can't stand too much tension on my hair. All right, so after putting that hair tie on, I'm going to go ahead and use my Got To Be Glue setting spray. This is actually my first time using this product and it worked pretty well. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray that on my perimeter as well, and then take that brush and brush upward. All right, so this is the hair that I'm going to be using to create my bun. All right, and I love this hair because it has some texture to it, so it kind of mimics afro textured hair, and it blended really well with my hair. All right, so I know this little part is not an official hair tie, but I'm going to use it as such instead of just cutting it and using another hair tie to do the same thing that I'm doing here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that on my puff just like so. I actually wrapped it around twice. You guys didn't get to see that, but I actually went around twice, and then I'm going to go ahead and separate the hair just like that. And then I'm going to separate my puff into two. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do a simple 2-strand twist, making sure that I incorporate my hair with the added hair. And as you guys see here, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this twisted part around just like so, kind of moving the other piece out of the way and just going around in a circle. And then I'm just going to take the ends and tuck it underneath. All right, you guys, so that's pretty much the gist of this bun. You just kind of play around with it to make it look like how you want it to. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of bobby pins later just to make sure that it is nice and secure. But I love the texture, you guys. Look how close it is to my hair texture. I just love this hair. So I'm just using a little bit more of that Got To Be Freeze spray around my perimeter, and then brush up once more. I'm also going to be doing my edges just a little bit. You guys, I don't really go crazy with the edges. I'm going to sleek them back a little bit for this style. So I'm just using that edge booster that I used earlier on my hair, and I'm using a toothbrush, and I'm going to go ahead and swoop a little bit and brush my edges backwards. And when I get it to how I want it to look, then I'm going to use my Kiss Edge Control, and you guys have seen me use this, and like I said in other videos, I have like 3 different scents and all of them smell really, really good. So I'm just going to go ahead and swoop once more, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my hair up with this satin scarf while I go do some things around the house, and then I'm gonna do my makeup, and I'm gonna come back to show you guys the final look. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. I am absolutely in love with this style. I think it came out super duper cute. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give me a thumbs up and even share it with a friend. Thank you guys so much for clicking and watching as always. I love y'all, and I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.